Hey guys, here's another motorcycle maintenance video for my Triumph Street Triple. This time I'm cleaning my chain. I use a piece of cardboard, some rubber gloves, a brush and some cleaning cloth, and of course the chain cleaner and a lubricant. They both Penrite brand. So let's get the surgery started. I check that the bike is in neutral, and then I place the cardboard somewhere there, and to stop the spray I check the chain tension while I'm here. I'm just curious how it's before and after, and then I use the cleaning spray, so I just a good shake and just apply, and then I use the brush to move all the grime out of the way, loosen it all up. I do a couple of rounds, spray it again, and then brush it again. And then I use the cloth to give it a good wipe. This will be in fast forward, but yeah, I insist with the wiping quite a bit. Just a really good wipe, and that should look pretty good at this point in time. Nice and shiny. Just one more wipe. Now I'm a little bit lazy here, so instead of taking the wheel off and the chain off to clean the rear sprocket properly, I just hold it against the sprocket. But if you do this, be really careful that you spin the wheel forwards if you use the cloth at the top of the sprocket, so you don't catch your finger. So this chain has to be going away from your fingers. When you're ready to do a proper cleaning of the chain, I recommend removing the rear wheel, clean the sprocket correctly, and also do the front sprocket as well. Don't forget that there's one at the front as well. This is just a routine clean. One final wipe. And then we'll give it a bit of time to dry, about 10-15 minutes, and then we can use the lubricant. Now the camera is a bit out of focus here, but the steps are a good shake and apply a thin layer on the outside of the chain, and then let it dry, and then that's it. So now after a good shake, I spray this side of the chain, and then I move the cardboard as I'm gonna go on the other side and do the other side. Same, just don't overdo it. You don't want to be leaking everywhere. And give it some time, let it dry up, and I'm gonna check the tension again, the chain tension. I like to see if it's good enough after cleaning. Sometimes it might be a bit looser, but mine is good. Thanks for watching. Cheers.